Alright, listen up folks. Today we're diving into the incredible journey of becoming Spider-Man. We all know Tom Holland as the amazing Spider-Man, but what does it take to transform into this iconic superhero? It's not just about donning the suit and swinging from skyscrapers. Have you ever wondered how he got so agile and ripped for the role? The journey is grueling and demands unwavering dedication. Tom's transformation is a testament to his hard work and commitment. Let me tell you, it's no walk in the park. The training regimen is designed to push the limits of human endurance. It's about building strength, agility, and the mental fortitude to keep going even when every muscle in your body is screaming for mercy. Tom's workout routine is more intense than Thor's hammer throw. Imagine lifting weights, performing high-intensity interval training, and mastering complex calisthenics all in one session. It's a full-body workout that leaves no muscle untouched. This isn't your average gym session. It's a meticulously crafted program that combines various disciplines to create a well-rounded athlete. From strength training to flexibility exercises, every aspect of fitness is covered. We're talking hardcore training that would make Captain America sweat. The intensity is off the charts, and the results speak for themselves. Tom's physique and agility are a direct result of this relentless training. It's a mix of parkour, gymnastics, dance, and some serious strength and flexibility exercises. Each element is crucial in developing the skills needed to portray Spider-Man convincingly. The agility of a gymnast, the strength of a weightlifter, and the grace of a dancer all come together in perfect harmony. Trust me, it's enough to make even a god like me think twice. The dedication and effort required are immense, but the payoff is extraordinary. Tom Holland's journey to becoming Spider-Man is a true inspiration, showing us that with hard work and determination, we can achieve greatness. So next time you see Spider-Man swinging through the city, remember the blood, sweat, and tears that went into making that moment possible. It's a reminder that superheroes aren't just born, they're made through relentless effort and an unyielding spirit. Whether you're aiming to become a superhero or just striving to be the best version of yourself, take a page from Tom Holland's book. Embrace the challenge, push your limits, and never give up. The journey may be tough, but the rewards are worth every ounce of effort. And remember, every step you take brings you closer to your goal. Just like Tom Holland, you too can achieve the extraordinary. So gear up, stay focused, and keep pushing forward. Your superhero moment is just around the corner. First up, parkour. Imagine jumping over buildings, climbing walls, and navigating obstacles like it's nothing. That's what parkour is all about, and Tom's got it down pat. He trains with the best, learning to move with speed and precision. He's like a real-life ninja, dodging and weaving through obstacles. I've seen him in action, and it's seriously impressive. He makes it look effortless, but I know there's a ton of hard work behind it.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually...
Next we've got gymnastics. Think flips, twists, and all sorts of cool acrobatic moves. Tom's got the grace and flexibility of an Olympic athlete. He trains to perfect those superhero landings and fight scenes. Let me tell you, it's one thing to swing from webs, but doing backflips and handstands? That's next level. I'm pretty good with a hammer, but even I wouldn't attempt some of the things Tom does in the gym. Now here's something you might not expect. Dance. Yep, Tom incorporates dance into his training to improve his coordination, rhythm, and fluidity of movement. It helps him move like the agile web slinger we all know and love. He's actually a pretty good dancer. I've seen him bust a move or two and he's got some serious skills. It just goes to show that being Spider-Man takes more than just muscles. It takes rhythm and grace too. Section 5, core strength, 200 sit-ups, no problem. But how does one even get to that level of fitness? It all starts with dedication, consistency, and a well-structured workout plan. Now let's talk about strength. Building core strength isn't just about doing sit-ups. It's about engaging multiple muscle groups and maintaining a balanced diet. Tom's core workout is no joke. He incorporates a variety of exercises to target different parts of his core, ensuring a comprehensive workout. He can pump out 200 sit-ups in 2 minutes flat. That's right, 200. This level of performance requires not just physical strength but also mental toughness and endurance. I can barely do 200 in a day, let alone 2 minutes. It's a testament to the hard work and dedication that goes into achieving such a feat. His abs are like steel. This kind of definition doesn't come easy. It takes hours of training, proper nutrition, and a lot of discipline. It's all about building that core strength for those high-flying stunts and fight sequences. A strong core is essential for balance, stability, and overall athletic performance. I gotta hand it to him, the kid's got dedication. It's inspiring to see someone so committed to their fitness journey. It reminds us all that with the right mindset and effort, we can achieve our fitness goals too. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned athlete, remember that every bit of effort counts. Keep pushing, stay consistent, and you'll see the results. And don't forget to take care of your body. Hydration, rest, and recovery are just as important as the workout itself. Listen to your body and give it the care it needs. So, next time you think about skipping that workout, remember Tom and his 200 sit-ups. Let his dedication be a motivation for you to keep going. You got this. Section 6, Upper Body Powerhouse. Push-ups for days, and it doesn't stop there. Tom's upper body strength is off the charts. He can crank out 100 push-ups in just 1 minute. That's some serious power. I'm pretty strong myself, but even I have to give him props for that. Those push-ups help him lift villains twice his size and swing through the city with ease.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually...
Section 7, Burpee Blitz, short bursts, big results. But wait, there's more. Tom also incorporates burpees into his routine. We're talking 30 seconds of non-stop burpee action. It's a full-body workout that tests his strength, agility, and endurance. Now I hate burpees as much as the next guy, but they're killer for building explosive power, and Spider-Man needs all the explosive power he can get when he's battling bad guys. Section 8, Flexibility Factor, limber like a spider. Strength is important, but so is flexibility. Tom spends a lot of time working on his flexibility with exercises like leg swings, arm circles, and hip openers. He needs to be limber to move like Spider-Man. He can practically do the splits. Okay, maybe not quite, but he's close. That flexibility helps him avoid injuries and move with that signature Spider-Man grace. Section 9, From Training to Triumph, Bringing Spider-Man to Life. So there you have it, folks. Tom Holland's agility training is no joke. The journey to becoming Spider-Man is a rigorous one, filled with countless hours of physical training and mental preparation. Tom Holland, the actor who brings this beloved character to life, undergoes a grueling fitness regimen to ensure he can perform the stunts and action sequences that Spider-Man is known for. It's not just about looking the part, it's about embodying the agility, strength, and endurance of a superhero. It's a combination of intense workouts, dedication, and a whole lot of hard work. Tom's training includes a mix of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. He works closely with a team of professional trainers who push him to his limits, ensuring that he can handle the physical demands of the role. From lifting weights to performing high-intensity interval training, every aspect of his fitness routine is designed to enhance his performance on screen. But it's all worth it when he steps on set and brings Spider-Man to life. The transformation is incredible. When Tom dons the Spider-Man suit, he becomes the web-slinging hero that fans adore. His movements are fluid and precise, a testament to the countless hours of practice and preparation. Whether he's swinging from buildings or engaging in hand-to-hand combat, Tom's portrayal of Spider-Man is both believable and captivating. He makes it look easy, but trust me, it's anything but. The stunts and action sequences require not only physical strength, but also a high level of skill and coordination. Tom performs many of his own stunts, which adds an extra layer of authenticity to his performance. The dedication and effort he puts into his training are evident in every scene, making his portrayal of Spider-Man truly remarkable. He's a true superhero, both on and off the screen. Tom's commitment to his role extends beyond the physical demands. He also takes the time to connect with fans, attend events, and promote the films. His genuine enthusiasm and passion for the character shine through, making him a beloved figure in the Spider-Man franchise. Whether he's visiting children's hospitals or participating in charity events, Tom embodies the spirit of a hero in every aspect of his life. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna go grab a protein shake. After all, watching all that hard work and dedication is inspiring. It reminds us that achieving greatness requires effort, perseverance, and a commitment to our goals. So here's to Tom Holland and all the incredible work he does to bring Spider-Man to life. Let's raise a protein shake to that. All this talk about working out has made me hungry. It's important to fuel our bodies with the right nutrients, just like Tom does. Whether it's a healthy snack or a well-balanced meal, taking care of our bodies is essential for achieving our own personal best. So let's take a page out of Tom Holland's book and strive to be the best versions of ourselves, both physically and mentally.